Meet Rohan. He has type 2 diabetes and is at higher risk of developing diabetic retinopathy. He struggles finding time for his daily diagnosis with his doctor. Hello, I'm Akshita.
And I'm Anshu.
We are teams docs from, and we present to you Netra. Let us tell you more about diabetic retinopathy.
You know about diabetes, right? Well, diabetes not only causes high blood sugar level, but it can also cause complete vision loss, which is called diabetic retinopathy, and it includes disease of small retinal blood vessel. Currently, there is no permanent cure for it, but the sooner it is found, the easier is the prevention. And if found in early stages, laser treatment can be done and have 95% success rate to it.
So, 7 million people are blind because of diabetic retinopathy. And currently in India itself, 19.5% of all blindness is because of diabetic retinopathy. That is 6 out of every 16 people have diabetic retinopathy.
There are five stages of diabetic retinopathy. First, no diabetic retinopathy, then mild non-proliferated DR, then moderate non-proliferated DR, then severe, and then proliferated DR. And early detection of this diabetic retinopathy can prevent the risk of vision loss and hence the better curement for it.
Laser treatment can be done if found in early stages, which have 95% accuracy. We present to you Netra. We are the only product in the market with high accuracy. Traditional method that are used currently are by doctors who are specialized trained, and also their product do not have same accuracy as ours, and that are time consuming and very cost inefficient. Netra, this is our product. It includes a fundus camera. This is the main thing, and all are the other peripheral devices. A 80 diopter lens is used, which takes a video of 30 seconds.
This is an app working video of product. First, you have to attach the 30-second video, and then you have to fill all the information. And then within few seconds, it will show you the results. And this is like the example of the 30-second video.
Talking about accuracy, we are the only product with 95% above accuracy because of the deep learning model that we use and the 6-step verification that we do. So the deep learning model that we use is ResNet 50 architecture CNN model. We choose it after heavy testing, and our data optimization include first resized image of 512 by 512. The 30-second video taken is converted into 30 frame, and each frame goes to this 6 step. Resized 512 by 512 converted into grayscale, then green channel, then enhanced by Clahe, then converted into green channel for the second time, and finally optimized by Orchu traceholder, showing the density of swelled veins in eye, and we have 95% accuracy. We are the only product in the market. So if estimated, by 2025 we expect 700 million people with diabetic retinopathy, and the market value for the solution to be 760 billion USD. Now, we believe that the market is willing to pay 2000 rupee for a kit, and this is our future model that we are working on. Our project is at initial stage of development. This is our website that we developed, and this is the, and actually it is developed by Ashnoor Sahani. He is not with us right now. So this is a low cost, easy to use kit. We believe that this accurate result can help many people finding diabetic retinopathy. Thank you.